Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to increase text size on Messenger on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So first we need to go to settings. After that scroll down and click Control Center. After that you need to scroll down and find text size here. Click on plus button here and go back. Let's go to Messenger, and if you want to increase font size you must click on text button here, click Messenger only, and now you can increase text size. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.